Now, today I would like to teach you these little cute hearts that are very easy to make, and you just need a crochet hook, a tapestry needle and the scissors to cut the yarn. Let's get started. We will start by making magic circle. You have to take your yarn and wrap around the fingers. And to make a cross, then turn, go under the second yarn and grab the yarn again and pull through the loop that you got. So that's what's called magic ring. And next step is to chain 3, 2 and 3. So next one, you must yarn over 2 times, insert the hook inside the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull through 2, and the third time, so you have your first treble. We have to repeat it 2 times inside the circle, pull through 2, pull through 2, and again. And we can pull a bit the yarn, and the third time. So you always pull through 3 times. And we have now our chain and 3 trebles. And we have to make 3 double crochet. So yarn over just 1 time, and you must pull through 2 times. Again, in the circle, pull through, second time. And the third double crochet. Pull through. So 1/2 of the heart is done. You can a bit pull tighter, and we have to chain, and we make a treble. And as you remember, pull through 2, and the third time. And we have to chain again, and now we mirror our first half. So first we make 3 double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over again, pull through 2, pull through 2, and the third double crochet. So it's very fast to make this heart. And we can tighten a bit more. And as you remember, we have to make 3 trebles. Yarn over twice. And I think you already got how we make our trebles. And the third treble. Pull through 2, pull through 2. And now to finish, we must chain 3. So we have the same chain as we had at the very beginning. And you must go inside this circle with the hook, grab the yarn, and you will have a slip stitch. Pull the yarn, use your scissors, cut, and now from the back side you pull through the yarn to make it tighter. You also tighten the other end to make the heart with a smaller hole in the middle. So that's this is our heart. It's very cute. You can use it to decorate your t-shirts or whatever stuff for toys. Or and I forgot to tell you how to hide the ends. You need this needle. Okay. And with the needle you go and hide them under the magic circle. And then you simply cut with scissors. And we have the one here. And the yarn is a bit too chunky for this needle, so we do the same what we did before. Go under a few stitches, you don't have to go too much, and just hide and cut the yarn, and you have the heart. That's very cute. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you again next time.